Hi, I'm Dr. Ana Torres from Relax and Smile, and I'm going to go over some tips for the braces. In our office, you will have gotten this kit. Here you will find this book. In this book, you will have some information about what to expect for the first days, how the adjustment phase usually goes, also what to consider for the brushing and for eating, as well as some soft recipes for you to have for the first days to get used to the braces. There are also some other information in the back about cleaning your teeth, what to take into consideration to reach every corner, and what to do if something gets loose in your braces. We also have this small brushing kit. Here I already unpacked one for you, and we will go over every step. First of all, for cleaning your braces, you can either use an electric toothbrush or a regular manual toothbrush. The most important thing is your technique. Besides cleaning the biting surface, which you have been doing until today without any bracket on, you should also clean the braces themselves, because in the corners sometimes food likes to get caught. So you can brush it like this, and then you should also brush between the braces and the gums, because that's the typical area that's harder to reach if you're brushing from below, which is why you should brush the gums and the teeth. A trick is if you position your toothbrush like 45 degrees and then brush your gums to your teeth, always from the gums to the teeth. Sometimes it can help if you do like circles for the back, but always remember the direction from the gums to the teeth. Sometimes it's also hard to get the area between the braces cleaned. If you cannot reach the area under the wire and something is stuck there, you can also use this small interdental brush. Basically, it's a very skinny toothbrush that you will be able to put through the space between the braces and then clean the area under the wire. So in your kit, you have one small one, so you can always take it with you. Also, don't forget to brush the inside of the teeth. This is easier since you don't have the braces there. And you can also brush the gums and the teeth as well. As you reach the front part, I recommend to position the toothbrush like this, because it's easier with this angulation to get the whole surface clean. Sometimes it can happen that some of the braces are rubbing a little bit to your skin, or something might get loose. To solve that, you can use a little bit of wax from this small package. Here, just cut a small piece of wax, make it into a small ball, and then, if for example this was bothering you because it moved, you just dry the area and put the wax on top of it. This way everything will be very round and smooth and it won't bother you anymore. Ideally, you will call us to make an appointment so that we can fix it permanently for you and you don't have to put the wax every day. But if you cannot reach us in that moment, use the wax so that you can prevent the metal from doing any harm. You will also find this small toothbrush that you can take with you everywhere. This is how you build it up. So you always have one with you. And then also a small mirror in case you want to check the back of the braces. Finally, I will also show you how to use the floss. I like to use super floss, which is basically a regular floss with one of the sides a little stronger to make it easier to go through the area of the brackets. Basically, this part, you can just put it underneath the wire up until the area of the sponge, and then you floss regularly and take it out and continue with the next one. The first time you do this, it might take you a little bit longer. Keep in mind, I've already done this many times. As you practice, you will be really fast and it won't make your brushing routine much longer. Perfect. Now it's important to talk about the eating. You should avoid eating hard things because this might break your braces. Instead of biting right into an apple like this, or like a strong hard bread, cut it in little pieces and then chew it with your back teeth carefully. That should allow you to eat it without breaking your braces. Also, you should avoid eating sticky things like chewing gum or like toffee caramel because these get really stuck in all the corners of the braces and it's really hard to get it out from there, even with the best brushing technique. That's why it's better to avoid them in order to prevent any inflammation from happening. Also, the first couple days of the braces, your teeth might be a little bit sensitive. This is completely normal. There's a trick in how to solve this for a little while, which is eating cold things or drinking cold things like ice cream or just ice cubes, because this is going to make the braces a little bit softer, the wire basically, and that's going to give your teeth a little bit of a break until they get warm again and start working again. So if your teeth are sensitive, just don't hesitate on eating or drinking something cold. I wish you a good adjustment phase and I'll see you in your next appointment. Bye!